Alright, start again. Ready?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Grandpa Mike. Happy birthday to you. How old are you? How old are you? How old are you, Grandpa Mike? How old are you? Then they blow out the candles.
Oh, happy birthday! Woo! From Izzy and Elijah. All right. Happy birthday, my sweet father. Oh, mine. Bye.